For Action News, I'm Anna Samofska. Today we give a shout out to our very own Dr. Gilbert Ross, whose op-ed on e-cigarette bans and propaganda is published in the Daily Caller. In his op-ed, Dr. Ross talks about the single most devastating yet preventable public health problem, cigarette smoking. The trends are devastating. The World Health Organization predicts 1 billion people will die worldwide this century from cigarette smoke. And yet, the highly promising nicotine delivery devices, e-cigarettes, are being targeted by politicians.
Cigarettes are deadly, addictive, and they produce thousands of chemicals, at least several hundred of which are known carcinogens. E-cigarettes have about 5 substances in them, one of which is nicotine, and otherwise the constituents of e-cigarettes are recognized by the FDA as safe. Nevertheless, politicians in New York and Chicago and many other localities are banning and restricting e-cigarettes as though they were regular cigarettes. And why is that? Because some of them look like cigarettes, and because the name is e-cigarette or electronic cigarette. This was a nomenclature error on the part of whoever invented the e-cigarette. It should have been called a nicotine delivery device or personal vaporizer, which they're actually called. So now in Los Angeles, on this very Monday upcoming, February 24th, there's going to be a vote in a committee of the Los Angeles City Council to ban e-cigarettes in all indoor locations, and in fact from parks and beaches and many other outdoor areas where cigarettes are already banned due to their smoke-free laws. How did the Los Angeles City fathers, the city attorney and his advisors, come to this conclusion? Well, they certainly didn't learn anything about the science or the background of e-cigarettes. They just said, well, it looks like cigarettes, so we're going to ban it. And I'm hoping that the people of Los Angeles will somehow become aware of this, somehow, perhaps thanks to my op-ed, but any way that they can, they should take action to prevent the city council from using an arbitrary and capricious redefinition to get their way, and to harm smokers by enacting this ridiculous, inane, and counterproductive law.
To read this story and others, you can head to our website, acsha.org. That's acsh.org. And while you're there, don't forget to also sign up for your daily dose of news delivered right to your inbox. For Aksha, I'm Anna Samofska.